Any famous last words? Anyone?
No. You know, but this is serious.
Welcome back. Today we're actually over on Potato Salad Hill. This is one of the hard obstacles out in Moab, Utah. It is a trail that's over by itself near Hell's Revenge. This is just a one obstacle trail people go and hang out at. Watch. Well, this video is about living the experience of what it's like to ride the Jeep. So sit back, stay tuned, and enjoy this video. Today's trip starts out with Tony Pellegino giving people rides up and down this insane obstacle. If you're wondering how steep this is, the inclinometer said 42 degrees when I was looking at it as we're going down.
You gotta make it more dramatic.
Anybody can go up.
Whoa, man!
Let's give you a little more outside perspective so you can see how intense this is. Then we're gonna flip the camera around from inside view and ride.
I want a Jeep like that.
Okay, so I decided anybody can go up, but we're coming.
This is a great place to show off to a crowd if you want to show what your vehicle's capable of. But don't forget, a lot of people roll here, so don't be that guy. I think this camera angle gives you a better perspective of how steep this really is, because from the back or front it looks like nothing, but from the side you can see this is very steep, and you can see why people roll backwards. Now let's turn these cameras around so you can see what it's really like riding up and down this hill.
God, this is the craziest thing. Holy shit. Are you sure about this? Oh my god, this is insane, dude. It's gonna roll. Oh shit.
It's gonna roll!
Oh my god! Oh shit! That's the craziest thing I've ever experienced.
Okay, Ron was the best passenger so far. Let's see who else we can scare.
Jesus Christ, man.
Sam, get in!
Come on, Sam.
How
Shotgun.
was it? Get in,
Let's go.
Sam!
I gotta change my shorts now. How do you get out? Okay, let's do it again. Yeah. Okay, Josh made me do it.
Okay, we're going up Potato Salad Hill again. Sam's in the front seat. Woo!
Oh my god, Sam, after this, you're gonna have to get a new pair of chonies too.
Yeah. I'm not buying your underwear.
No, you're gonna
Ron's already scared, so he's good. We're good.
Oh,
Oh!
scared like a little girl.
Oh, it's
Oh my god,
good!
this is the craziest thing.
Oh my god!
Wow! Oh my god! Ross rolled! Look at me!
Okay, we're going down now.
Oh no! Oh my god, no, this is so
This is crazy!
It's gonna get steep.
Go slow, don't roll.
Can you
Oh
stop
my
in
god!
the middle of it? Oh my god! Dude, this is insane! Oh my god! Holy shit! Whoa! Holy shit! It doesn't even bother.
I can't let them have all the fun.
Josh is going to attempt Potato Salad Hill because he's crazy. Oh my god. In the jail. Oh my god.
That is insane. Oh, Spiel. Is that guy like crazy?
Whoa. Well, I'm gonna get our reactions. Because they'll all get the outside. You can't see the angle anyway. Johnny's got. Oh my god, that's gnarly. Oh my god. Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Oh dude!
No
This is
way.
easy! I guess we're going down it. Or maybe we're just watching. What's happening?
That's why we don't play. That's why I usually.
Oh my god. Oh my god! That's crazy!
Dude, Josh is gonna do it next. Is he like insane?
Well, see what happens to us.
Oh my God. Here goes Josh. Trails Off-Road.
Billy.
I don't know if I'm doing that one. That guy's got some balls, man. Oh my God.